rescued in places they never expected. You see, deliverance looks different on every woman. Some are saved by the blood, some are saved by the water. In the Bible, there was a woman, bled for 12 long years, cycles she couldn't stop, pain, suffering she didn't start, being called unclean when all she wanted was to be seen. She didn't walk to Jesus, she pressed. She didn't whisper, she reached. And she didn't have the strength, but she had the faith. And she said, if I can just touch the hem. She touched, and blood met the blood.
Hey! Come on!
Her issues met his identity. Her aches met his authority. And the flow that drained her met the God that sustained her.
Hey! Glory!
Sung by the blood. So there's another one, a Samaritan at the well, drawing from a source that never really filled her. She came with jars, but she also came with shame. She came for water, but she also had wounds. Jesus sat on purpose. He said, if you take what I have, you'll never go thirsty again. He exposed her truth, not to shame her, but to deliver her. The water he offered washed away the labels, the lovers, and the lies she believed about herself. She left that jar behind because once you meet Jesus, you leave behind everything that used to define you. Some of us are like these women. We walked in here bleeding in places no one sees. Quietly thirsty, emotionally empty, spiritually dry. But all those daughters are welcome here, loved here, seen here. When they pierced Jesus' side, blood and water flowed. 2 streams, 1 Savior. 2 testimonies, 1 deliverer, 1 redemption. If you're bleeding, touch him. If you're thirsty, drink from him.
Come on.
If you're hiding, step into the light. If you're tired, rest in his arms. Some by the blood, some by the water, all by his grace.